Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Running a Python script in WordPress using pyscript. Introduction. Pyscript is a framework that allows you to run Python code directly in web browsers using HTML and JavaScript. It's particularly useful for integrating Python functionality into web applications, including WordPress sites. In this tutorial, we'll go through the steps to implement pyscript in a WordPress site and run a simple Python script. Prerequisites. Before we start, ensure you have the following. 1. A WordPress site, self-hosted or using wordpress.com with appropriate permissions. 2. Basic knowledge of HTML and WordPress. 3. A code editor, for example, Notepad++, VS Code, etc. Step 1. Include pyscript in your WordPress site. Pyscript requires the inclusion of its JavaScript and CSS files in your HTML. You can do this by adding the following script to your WordPress theme's header or footer, or by using a custom HTML block in a post or page. 1. Edit your WordPress theme. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Appearance Theme Editor. Open the header.php file, or footer.php. Add the following lines before the closing /head tag. 2. Alternatively, use a custom HTML block. Go to the page or post where you want to add the Python code. Add a custom HTML block and insert the same code. Step 2. Write your Python code. Let's create a simple Python script that takes user input and returns a greeting message. Here's how to do it. 1. Create a new post or page in your WordPress dashboard. 2. Add a custom HTML block and insert the following code. Explanation of the code. HTML elements. An input field to get the user's name. A button that, when clicked, will trigger the Python function. A paragraph to display the greeting message. Python code. The greet function takes a name and returns a greeting message. The display_greeting function retrieves the name from the input field, calls the greet function, and updates the HTML content of the paragraph with the greeting message. Step 3. Publish your post/page. Once you have added the HTML and Python code, publish your post or page. You should now see the input field and button on your WordPress site. Step 4. Testing. 1. Navigate to the page you just created. 2. Enter your name in the input field and click the greet button. 3. You should see a personalized greeting message appear below the button. Conclusion. Using pyscript, you can easily incorporate Python functionality into your WordPress site. This tutorial demonstrated how to set up pyscript and create a simple interactive greeting application. You can expand upon this by adding more complex Python scripts and functionalities as needed. Additional resources. Pyscript documentation, https://pyscript.net. WordPress codex, https://codex.wordpress.org. HTML5 and JavaScript basics, https://www.w3schools.com. Feel free to experiment and integrate more Python functionalities into your WordPress site.